What we got here is the QKZ CK9 dual moving coil in-ear earphones. So I bought this from Shopee.ph for around 200 pesos, which is about $4. As you can see, it has a typical QKZ box with Chinese imprint at the side and at the back. It has a hardcover case, which serves as a protection and a storage box of the earphone itself. The packaging has done right. Moving on, the inside of the box, of course, we got the earphones. The extra ear cups. There are 2 pairs of extra ear cups and a clip, which is nice. The QKZ CK9 has a premium feel, which is a big thumbs up for an earphone under $4. Let me untie it first. It is gold plated. It does not feel cheap. The wiring is thick and has an outside jelly-like protection around its wire. I guess it will last longer than the usual earphones. It has a microphone, but unfortunately, it does not have a volume control. This feels premium. There is a letter F written on the earphone, as you can see. Also, a dual moving coil is written at the bottom. The QKZ CK9 is light and comfortable to wear. It does not feel heavy even when using it for workout. The sound quality of this is amazing. The sound isolation is strong with this one. You won't hear most of the outside noise when using it. One thing I like about this is its bass. The bass of these earphones is strong and has overpowering lows that will fill your ears.